Okay, today we'll be opening up this used MicroGard Select oil filter, number MSL57356. And I got this used MicroGard oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Matt from Hindman, Pennsylvania. Thanks, Matt. This oil filter was in service for 4 months, 5,941 miles, and came off of Matt's 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport SE. Yep, the one with the 2.4 liter engine, which now has 95,236 miles. He was using 5W20 Valvoline high mileage full synthetic oil during this period. Let's open up this used MicroGard oil filter and see how it looks. So let's get started.
This is a cord. You gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration anywhere here.
Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. We got here leak tested, filter number, date code 23MYM168748. And this is a sticker. You can see it's peeling off to get the filter number. But it doesn't say where this filter is made. It tells you on the boxes that these filters come in. It'll say made in Vietnam. This one's pretty sure it's made in Vietnam because I asked Matt about it and he said it was. That's what it said on the box. So we got a silicone O-ring gasket right here. I can get it off, but there it goes. Okay, they fit right into this groove right here. I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. It's a nice gasket. Okay, I'll put that to the side. And we have 8 inlet holes, metal core with holes, bypass valve at the dome end, 4 grooves there for threads. Yeah, it all looks pretty nice. All right, let's open this filter up and see what it looks like. Okay, not much oil. I put a Q-tip through one of the inlet holes so that the oil would drain out. Alright, yeah, that looks nice on there. It looks like it would hold the oil pretty good. Looks like a little bit of sludging right there. The anti-drain back valve looks nice. Silicone anti-drain back valve. It's got a nice shape to it. Okay, the filter element. Yeah, there it goes. Got nice clean metal end caps. I don't know what the bypass valve setting is on this. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Metal crimp seam. I'll put the number of pleats up on the screen. Get up close here. Little excess glue right there. Yeah, but it looks good. Pleats look nicely spaced. No tears. A little glue here. No tears. It's not wavy or anything. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, it feels like it works. And we got a coil spring. It's nice. Look how clean that looks in there. Yeah. Little sludginess right there. You can see the overspray in there. It's still in there. Didn't come off. Okay. Let's get the width of this filter element. 2.35 inches wide minus 1/10 of an inch. Okay, and this filter element is a synthetic blend filter media with a micron rating of 99% at 25 microns. Yeah, so this all looks really good. So I say let's cut this oil filter open, stretch it out, squeeze it out, and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here's the MicroGard filter all stretched out. And this filter is 48 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.65 millimeters thick. This is the filtering side, back side. And I took two microscope pictures of this filter because I have one picture with the light trying to come through and it really doesn't come through at all. And I have another picture with the light going on top. So let's take a look at those pictures. So it's kind of hard to see with the one with the picture with the light coming through the bottom because the filter's thick and it's got probably got a lot of stuff in it, a lot of dirt, carbon. But the one on top, you can see a lot of bits of this carbon here on the filter, you know, on top of the filter. Now let's take a look at this filter up close. So you can see like some of this soot in there. No sparklies. You can see it in the creases mostly, but it ain't, you know, see when I rub it, it's on there a little bit. But it's not super bad. The filter's definitely doing its job. Little spot here, carbon. A little more over here on the creases. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so both of these silicone gaskets, they look like brand new. They held up nice. They did their job. The end caps, you can see the bypass valve right here. Actually, I'll show how that works. Get a pen here. Oops. So you can see how that works. And you got the core with metal holes. And they're punched the right way, so they're nice and smooth on this side. Rough on the inside. Nice coil spring. And you got a pretty thick can here also. Let's take a look in here. Okay, so I had it sitting like that. And it looks pretty clean, just right here in this one spot. I'm going to feel this with my fingers. Yeah, it feels pretty smooth right there. Doesn't feel gritty or anything. Okay, and then we got this spot over here. So let's take a quick look at this. I got a Q-tip here. Okay, so you can see why it went in that one spot. I wonder why though. I don't understand that part. But it all, maybe because I wonder if its filter sits like this, if it's mounted and it fits this way, and the oil sits there all the time. Maybe one of you guys can confirm that. See how this feels. This feels a little gritty. Yeah, it feels a little gritty. Well, 6,000 miles, I think the filter did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? And again, I want to thank Matt for sending me this used MicroGard oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.